about? Is it some under construction building or additional construction that's been happening on a building there? Because this is going to be very time consuming if those officials from the civic authorities will be bringing that down one by one.
Well, these are the live visuals that we are bringing to you from Shaheen Bagh. You can see on the first floor, you can see that the people are in fact removing those scoffings, and they are in fact saying that first of all, the SDMC has been saying that the entire such pillars need to be removed because otherwise it is going to fall. The entire construction is going to fall. So that is the first step that is being done over here, and after that, the JCB, which is on the right side, if I ask my camera person, the JCB is in fact on the standby over here. Once those pillars are removed entirely from the building, the JCB is going to go ahead and do the anti-encroachment drive. Now, what is really the encroached areas at Shaheen Bagh? If you see most of these buildings over here, they all have constructed mainly their pavements. They have have covered the service area. Mostly major part of the service area has in fact been covered by these shops and buildings, and that is something that is going to be demolished by the JCB at this point, and that is why the SDMC is in fact also over here. The people here have in fact been specifically saying that this is nothing but once again, okay, these are the live visuals. Amanatullah Khan is once again back near the JCB over here. Once again, he is in fact stopping the JCB, saying that he will not let this demolition drive to take place, and you can see there are in fact a number of security personnel also who are in fact trying to evacuate the entire place. Let me speak to some of the people over here, sir. यहाँ पे जो encroachment drive बता रहे हैं, ये जितनी बिल्डिंग है उन्होंने सर्विस लाइन जो है वो काफी हद तक कवर कर रखी है, लेकिन शाहीन बाग वाले कह रहे हैं कि ये टारगेट किया जा रहा है।
मैडम, यहाँ के लोगों ने कुछ मांग रखी थी, एमसीडी से कहा था कि ये रोड की चौड़ाई कितनी है ये बता दीजिए, और जो यहाँ पर जो इलीगल है वो बता दीजिए। तो शायद वो मांगे एमसीडी पूरी नहीं कर पाया, इस वजह से लोग उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं। हाँ जी।
अच्छा, तो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि जो सर्विस लाइन, जो सर्विस लेन में जो पूरा कब्जा कर रखा है वो एनक्रोचमेंट नहीं है?
ना नहीं, एमसीडी से मांग रखी थी, उनसे कहा गया था कि आपको निशानदेही करिए कि जो यहाँ पर इलीगल है उसको बताइए कि ये इलीगल है, तोड़ दीजिए, मुश्किल नहीं। तो ये एकदम सडनली आ जाना बुलडोजर लेकर, बस इसी चीज़ का उल्लंघन है और कुछ नहीं है। लोग कह रहे हैं कि जो गलत है उसे तोड़िए, मगर बता तो दीजिए कि गलत आखिरकार है क्या, बस।
और आपके यहाँ पे काफ़ी लोग बोल रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे इसी रोड पे एंटी सीए प्रोटेस्ट हुआ था, इसी को लेके यहाँ पे टारगेट किया जा रहा है।
अब किसी चीज़ को उससे जोड़ना तो गलत हो जाएगा, मैं इस बात को नहीं कह सकता। अब तो फिलहाल इस चीज़ की बात चल रही तो हम इसी की बात करेंगे। वो सीए का तो जब था किसी एक चीज़ को दूसरी चीज़ से जोड़ना गलत है नहीं। अभी लोगों की सिर्फ इतनी मांग है कि आप जो यहाँ पर इलीगल है उसको बताइए कि ये इलीगल है, फिर तोड़िए। पहले एक बार उसको नोटिस दे दीजिए, बता दीजिए कि ये इलीगल है, बस ये मांग है लोगों की, नॉर्मल सी मांग है, इतनी तो मांग रख सकता है ना आदमी।
So very mixed reaction, of course. Majorly, the locals here have been saying if there is actually an encroachment that has happened, then SDMC should go ahead and do the demolition. But here, the SDMC is not making clear that what exactly has been encroached. Is it the main road? Is it the service lane? What sort of encroachment has been done on this particular road? These are the questions that are being asked by the Shaheen Bagh people here. While some are saying that a particular community is being targeted, Shaheen Bagh is being specifically targeted because the anti-CAA protest has in fact happened over here, while some are saying that there is no such encroachment is in fact has taken place. So these are the live visuals. You can see one by one those pillars are being removed so that the JCB can move ahead and do the work. The SDMC officials are also on standby here. You can see these are the live visuals that we are bringing to you from Shaheen Bagh. Complete chaos over here, complete resistance from the locals over here, saying that they are being targeted, while some are saying that what is really the encroachment, there needs to be a definition that needs to be given by the SDMC. There is no such encroachment that has in fact taken place. On my right side, once again, there is a lot of ruckus over there. That is because Amanatullah Khan has once again reached over here, and he is in fact once again asking the SDMC officials to go back from here. He is saying that he is not going to let the JCB move ahead in Shaheen Bagh. So this is the situation that is happening right now, prevailing in Shaheen Bagh at the moment.